started. Finally getting that installed. Ooh, so dirty. Sorry. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive culture channel. Today, as you can see in the title, I am finally getting my rear diffuser installed on my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate, aka the Genesis Coupe Batmobile. Manual transmission, gotta always add that in there for you guys. Information. But yes, dude, I know, shameful. I'm gonna tell you guys something. I've had this rear diffuser in my garage for like, I don't know, 6 months, bro. Like, I keep putting off me installing it, so I got a homie of mine. I'm gonna put their Instagram down below. We're gonna be heading to them right now to get it installed because I keep putting it off, dude. I'm sorry, people. I want you guys to comment down below, what's the longest you guys have had car parts in your garage or in your house that you were supposed to install but you kept putting off? I know I'm not the only one. Comment down below. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into get started. But of course, I gotta give you guys a cold start. Even though the car is dirty, I don't have time to wash it. I gotta get going. So let's go ahead and get started with that cold start. Sorry for all you earphone users out there, it's pretty loud. Yeah, but yeah, we already popped the trunk. We're going to drop it in. The one thing I love about the Genesis Coupe, never mind my dirty trunk, I have so much stuff in here. One thing about the Genesis Coupe, there was a selling point for me to buy one, is its versatility, dude. Having the seats that actually let down so you can actually put stuff in your trunk. So give me a second, you just pull this tab right here and you push the trunk down. Yeah, so simple as that. I gotta move some stuff off my seats, and then let me go ahead and drop it in there. Just gotta move the seat up a little bit and let it drop down. Man, move it back. So yeah, I've made trips, family trips to Vegas where I've loaded this thing up with all kinds of stuff, dude. So yeah, I love the versatility of the Genesis Coupe. Let's go ahead and load this bad boy in here. It's nice and easy. It's like touching the seat. There we go. Bam. All right, let's hit the road. I always spotted nice cars on the 71. I don't know what it is. Nice BM right here. It's a nice build. What's up, Daddy? That's nice. You got a nice build, man. I like it. Yeah, I had to give him props. I'm holding the GoPro right now. Let me give him a gear drop. There we go. So yeah, we just pulled up. Want to know how I know I got that in the right place? Because of this thing. Check out the amount of it. See, you guys might have seen this in one of the last videos, the Kitium driven meet. You guys watched it. This guy's building something back there. His neighbor across the way, whatever's working on something. Sounds good though. Yeah, so street flow arrow, there you go. Looks real nice. I like that. That's awesome, dude. So yeah, this is basically like the ultimate package, dude. All the stuff you can get. These are actually pre-cut, not this extra part, but he has some that are pre-cut for the Genesis Coupe BK1 and BK2. Research and development was done by him and of course the late great Dustin Davis. Yeah, so there we go. Look at that ultimate package. That is crazy. Just to show you a little bit of what this guy has to offer, he has some cool little stuff for you. You can get this on the backside, obviously, of your stock wing or whatever. So yeah, crazy exhaust. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the install, man. So yeah, nice Gen Coupe. Hit them up if you guys are interested. Instagram's right there, obviously. So yeah. All right, so we got the man right here. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, man?
Hey. So we got what we're gonna be installing. arrow piece. I left it like untouched because I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up wrapping it or painting it later. Oh, okay. But I just wanted to get it installed and mocked up and everything.
When I had it on, I left it just.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, because I was like, I haven't decided which one I'm gonna do, so I don't want to do one, or I don't want to paint it and have to script it.
Because it matches. It's pretty.
Yeah, it pretty well. So.
Pretty well, so you can't even tell.
See, the crazy thing about his driveway is it's like really slanted. We use blocks to get the car in, but if you look, it's like a double driveway, so it's slanted up above and it leaves space. I was like, you can work on arrow pieces and stuff. So this driveway actually is a little convenient. It's a little crazy to get up, but it's convenient because you can kind of have space right here to work with. So yeah, let's get started. So we got it mocked up, and he's using these clips to hold it. Watch these little clips right here. You see? Little clips holding it in right there. If you guys can see it, there we go. But yeah, he's doing the ends. The only thing is, like, of course, lining it up on the inside's a little awkward. So we're gonna do the ends first. If you look at this and that eBay fitment. Nah, you know what I mean. These parts, it is what it is. When they're like kind of semi-okay quality parts, you get what you pay for, you know what I mean. But this is a little touch I wanted to add to the Batmobile. And then of course, if you look at these stock pipes, those gotta go. So I'm gonna hit up my exhaust guy. That's gonna be one of the next things I do, and get something better to fill in this gap or whatever, so that we're not having this like lip thing. But yeah, that'll be later. Sometimes make your own holes and stuff like that, because I believe this one don't even have it. Yeah, it don't have no holes right here if you guys look. So you guys are gonna need a drill to kind of get it right here if you want that A1 fitment. Of course, you gotta make your own little extra adjustments to it. So that's what we doing. And that was one reason why it took me so long to I was gonna do it myself, like I kept saying, but I second guessed myself so much. I was just like, let me just leave it to somebody who's done this more than me. I did the front lip, you guys. Like, if you guys watched that video, if you guys are curious, whatever. The side skirts were done by Below Zero, but the front lip, I did it myself. I did a pretty good job, if I say so myself. I ended up pretty good. So yeah, I can do some of this stuff. I could do it. Like I said, I can do it. Perfectly capable of it. And I don't want to screw things up. But yeah. So. Alright, so here's the helpful part for you guys. First time doing this, dude. But tell you something. If you're not using double-sided tape, I don't want to use double-sided tape to get it stick. So you got to slightly modify it. So what we're going to do is drill a hole at the bottom. You're not gonna see it, you know, not like people are gonna be underneath my car examining it, like, what's that little hole right there? You know, no one's gonna do that. But yeah, we want it to stick flush up against this right here, but there's no access to it, because if you look, it's literally double-sided, you see? So you can't get in there. So we're gonna have to just make a hole right here, bam, be able to get a screw through there and make it sit flush. So make slight modifications if necessary, and this is one of the modifications. So cutting. It's a very subtle hole. Look at that. It's like you can barely see it, and no one's gonna see it. No gap. Oh, that's good. I like that. That's as snug as it's gonna get. So now we're gonna get the edges. He's using a slightly longer screw than the other one he was using for all the other parts, just to make sure it grabs or whatever. So just a note for you guys to take. The middle's looking good. It's as tight as it's gonna get, you know what I mean? Literally screws through that hole, drilled through the hole, made it. And then from here, you can't even see it until I point it out, you know what I mean? If I were to tell somebody, oh, I drilled holes in the bottom, they'd be like, wait, where? Even if you feel it with your finger, you can barely even feel it. That's crazy. All right, so we're gonna double check everything. We're pretty much done. Is wifey's giving you a call, man? You might want to answer that. Like, why didn't you answer my call? I was working, girl. I was working on the Batmobile. But yeah, he got it good, man. He got it lined up on both ends. On the inside, that's tucked in tight, man. As tight as it's gonna be without double-sided tape. So there we go. There's the finished product, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and let him finish his phone call. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. We're gonna wash the car, detail it nice and beautiful. One of the next videos will be exhaust tips, because it looks cool now, but now we have a little bit more real estate on the bottom. I would love to have some really nice tips that come out right here. So you guys hit me up on Instagram and DM me some ideas for some awesome exhaust tips. Should I go with black? Should I go with the basic silver ones, or should I go with the burnt tips? Which exhaust tip should I go with? So you guys let me know. Comment down below, dude. Something that's gonna fill this in. I'm gonna take and measure it and see the distance right here and see the distance right here and see what I can do. You know what I mean? So you guys help me out. Comment down below. Hit me on Instagram. DM me. Let me know, dude. And that's gonna be it. All right, you guys, so before we wrap it up, I'm gonna show you exactly where we put all the screws so you guys can have reference points. Now, you guys can select wherever you wanna put your screws, but I'm just gonna show you where I put mine just to help you guys out. Get that light for you guys, and I'm gonna turn the camera upside down, and I'm gonna start on this is the driver's side, on the left side right here. I'm gonna show you. If you guys can see it, that's the first one. And then we move forward a little bit more right here. Bam, for reference point, there's a hole right there. You can put one in there. And hopefully I can see it. You guys can see it. Yeah, right there. I don't know, my finger's touching it, whatever. I don't know if you see it. But there's a hole right there. You can use that one to put a screw in. You can either use self-tapping or other different types of screws. It's up to you guys. And then the next one, I think you guys can see it. There's two of them. Hopefully you guys can see it. There's two of them. I'm putting my finger on them right now. 1, 2, bam. We'll move forward a little bit more, and I'm gonna pull the camera back out. And then now we're right here at this point of the bumper right here where the exhaust tip is or whatever. And then that's where we used a little ingenuity and we drilled a hole right here. If you guys can see that one. Let me get the light back over here. So we drilled a hole right there. And then there's a screw underneath that, you know what I mean? So we have to drill to get like a really small screw in there. And then over here, there's more. You see those? Those are right here where the plastic piece starts on the bumper, where the plate sits on the flat part. This right here. So those are where the screws are at. And then that's pretty much it for that. It pretty much holds tight. So we were able to get it tucked right here. You see what I'm saying? Without using double-sided tape, because I want to be able to take this thing back off, and then you just repeat the same thing on the other side. So we're able to take this thing off whenever I want to and wrap it or paint it, like I said, if I choose to later on. But that's what we did, just to show you guys. It's easy. We just had to come up with a little bit of like extra stuff, whatever. I just, you know, I don't know. I was just like, oh, I just want it done right. So, you know, yeah. So with that being said, let's go and wrap the video up. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. I hope it helped you, so you guys can go and get one of these. I'm gonna try to find a link of where I bought this. It was like 6 months ago, so I'm trying to find a link for that, and I'm gonna put it in the description, but it should be easy to find if I don't. But yeah, dude, this is one of those things, like I said, another small mod that's easy that you guys can do by yourself. Me, myself, I just put it off, and I was doing other things with the car, and then I tried to like mock it up when I first tried it, and I couldn't figure out what to do as far as the bolt holes that we, or the screw holes that we made. and adjusted it. So I'm happy that I took it to him because I wanted it to be done right. I wanted to be able to put it on without double-sided taping it, because I might wrap it, I might paint it, I might decide to take it off, and I don't want the double-sided tape be on there. So I'm very happy. Thanks again, homie from Street Flow Arrow. Make sure you give him a follow. Once again, dude, thanks a lot, homie. Had an awesome conversation with him regarding the late great Dustin Davis, dude, and that was one of the reasons why I put this guy in my corner, because one of the last things Dustin was doing was collaborating with him. So yeah, man, we share some stories and whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with my content, and make sure you comment below. Comment. I say that in all my videos. Just go crazy with the comments, dude, because it's for the algorithm. YouTube algorithm, comments are the thing right now. So help the channel grow. We're at 3,000 subscribers. Let's get to 5K. So tell your friends about this channel. Any other Gents Coupe owners that don't know about me, spread the word, and I appreciate it in advance. And I'll catch you guys out there. Just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.